The defense attorney sent me a lumpy piece of mail. I open it up. What do I find inside? It's a DVD with my client's name on it. You want to know what it is and why I need to pay attention to it? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. My client claims that his doctor violated the basic standards of medical care, and now my client brought a lawsuit against this doctor. And now, during the course of the lawsuit, my client was questioned at a deposition, which is pretrial testimony. It's a question and answer session given in our office. And now, about a month and a half later, the defense lawyer sends me this piece of mail that obviously has something in it. I open it up, and what do I see? I see a DVD, and it's got my client's name on it with a date. So what do? I pop it into my computer, and now I press play. And what do I see? I see, lo and behold, my client's on there. And what's he doing? He's doing his daily activities. And now, as I'm watching this, he doesn't realize that he's being videotaped. He's going about his day. He's leaving his home. He's going to work. He's getting in his car. He's running errands. He has no idea that somebody is following him with a video camera. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would somebody do this? Why would the defense hire a videographer or private investigator to capture my client on video and then send me a copy of the video that they got? You want to know why? It's because they wanted to capture him doing some activity that he claimed he couldn't do. Because remember, just a month and a half earlier, he had been asked questions under oath. He swore to tell the truth about those things he could or couldn't do anymore. Their goal was to try and show that my client was a liar, to show that he did something that he claimed he couldn't do. And I'm watching this video. It's going on for 15 minutes. And there's nothing on here about his activities to contradict anything that he said during his pretrial testimony. And you know what I think? I think this is wonderful. This is great. So you might be asking yourself, why did the defense attorney send me the DVD if there was nothing on there that contradicted any of his testimony? They had to do it because once they go ahead and get a videographer or private investigator to go ahead and follow him around, now they've got this information for the purposes of litigating this case to try and show that my client is lying. Now they're going to try and use whatever it is that they captured to show that my client is not credible, that he's not believable, even if it's the smallest little thing. So why do I share this quick story with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits involving accidents and medical malpractice and even wrongful death matters. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.